Stop. Before you keep scrolling, I need you to hear this one number. 50%. That is how much of the American middle class has already disappeared. Not in a recession. Not during a war. Right now. Quietly. While most people had no idea it was happening. In the next 8 minutes I am going to show you exactly why it is happening and the 5 specific steps that determine which side of this you end up on. This matters. Stay with me. Welcome to Money Blueprint, Real Wealth Strategies for Real People. Subscribe because I post new content every single day. Here is what nobody is saying clearly enough. The middle class is not just shrinking downward. It is splitting in 2 directions simultaneously. Some people are falling into financial vulnerability. Others are moving upward into genuine wealth. The middle is hollowing out from both ends. Which direction you move depends almost entirely on 5 decisions, most of which you can start making today. Here are the 4 forces driving the split and what to do about each one. Force 1. Inflation is not temporary. The cost of housing, healthcare, food and insurance has risen dramatically faster than middle-class wages for 15 consecutive years. The same salary that felt comfortable in 2010 buys significantly less today. And this is not stopping. The only people staying ahead of this are the ones whose assets are growing faster than inflation is eroding their purchasing power. Salary alone is no longer enough. It has not been enough for years. The people moving upward know this. The people getting squeezed are still waiting for things to go back to normal. They will not. Force 2. I is eliminating the middle, not the top and bottom. The jobs being automated right now are not factory jobs. They are administrative, clerical and procedural middle-skill jobs, the backbone of middle-class employment for decades. High-skill cognitive work is becoming more valuable. Low-skill service work remains. The middle is being automated away. The people thriving right now are the ones who learn to use AI as a tool instead of compete against it as a replacement. That distinction is everything. In 2026, knowing how to leverage AI is not optional. It is the single most important professional skill available to regular people. Force 3. Asset ownership determines everything. The stock market returns approximately 10% per year historically. Real estate appreciates consistently over time. Business ownership creates compounding wealth. But these assets are owned overwhelmingly by people already wealthy. The middle class saves in accounts earning almost nothing while the wealthy grow richer automatically through appreciation. The dividing line between people moving up and people falling behind is almost entirely explained by one question. Do you own assets that grow while you sleep? If the answer is no, that is the most urgent thing to change. Force 4. The financial knowledge gap is compounding silently. Wealthy families teach money privately. Middle-class families, through no fault of their own, often never have these conversations. That knowledge gap compounds over decades into dramatically different financial outcomes. The good news is this gap is closable faster than at any point in history. The information exists. The tools exist. The only missing ingredient is the decision to seek them out and act on them. Here are your 5 steps to make sure you are moving up, not down. Step 1. Change your success metric immediately. Stop measuring your financial health by your income. Start measuring it by your net worth and asset growth. A person earning $50,000 and investing consistently is building more long-term wealth than a person earning $100,000 and spending everything. The number on your paycheck is not your financial score. Your net worth is. Step 2. Build one income stream beyond your salary this month. Not next year. This month. Content creation. Dividend investing. A digital product. Affiliate marketing. Any stream that generates income without requiring all of your direct time. This single change separates the people moving upward from the people getting squeezed more than almost anything else. Step 3. Invest in AI skills this week. Not eventually. This week. The income gap between people who use AI effectively and people who do not is growing every single month in 2026. You do not need a degree. You need curiosity and 30 minutes per day of genuine experimentation. Step 4. Automate your investing today. Set up an automatic transfer to a low-cost index fund the day after every paycheck arrives. Before bills. Before spending. Before everything. The people building wealth are not more disciplined, they have better systems. Build the system. Step 5. Treat financial education as your highest return investment. Every hour spent genuinely learning about money is worth thousands of dollars in better decisions over your lifetime. The knowledge gap between the wealthy and everyone else is real. But it is the only gap that closes entirely with information and action, both of which are free. The middle class is not disappearing because working people are failing. It is disappearing because the rules changed and most people were never told. You now know the rules. You know the forces. You know the steps. The only remaining question is what you do with that knowledge starting today. Subscribe to Money Blueprint because every single day I share the exact strategies that help real people move in the right direction regardless of where they are starting from. Tell me in the comments, do you feel like you are moving up or getting squeezed right now? I really enjoy every single comment, and I genuinely want to know. Your answer might be exactly what someone else needed to hear today. Everything you need to start moving in the right direction is linked below. Your direction changes right now.